Hi, this is Jonathan from the EMR support team at Optima Medical, and I can't wait to tell you about this new feature that we just installed into our eClinicalWorks system. Would you like to have a super easy way to search through your patient's records, including the visits that they have had to your local hospitals and clinics? Well, now we have PRISMA. Now you don't have to wait days or weeks to get information from the hospital medical record department. Now you can get instant structured medical data and even discharge summaries right within the progress note of the ECW system. And let me show you just how easy it is. When you're in the progress note, you may notice that there's a new icon sitting at the top of the right chart panel, and that's my link to PRISMA. This little button I'm going to show you that's right here. If I float my mouse right over the button, it shows me how many external records or how many internal records that this patient has. Now, granted, this is a test patient, so we don't have any external records to show you here. But if I click on this button, it pulls open the PRISMA search engine, and it instantly shows me all the progress notes that I can view for this patient. And all I need to do is click on one of these progress notes, and it shows the whole note on the right side of the screen. Now, you'll notice that it allows me to condense down my search. If I need to look at a certain facility, I can click on any one of these different facilities up top and narrow it down to that one location, or choose all facilities where this patient has been in the past. But the best part about PRISMA is this search bar that's right up top. You can search for any topic that you can think of in the medical records very quickly. Let me show you, for instance. Let's search for an EKG on this patient. All I have to do is type in the letters EKG and hit enter, and it produces all these results instantly. And it's smart enough to know that maybe I meant not only EKG, but electrocardiogram as well. So all I need to do is click on one of these links, and it pulls open the note exactly of where I'm looking for on this specific topic. It is that easy and that quick, and it's already installed in our system, so have at it, experiment with it. We hope that you see it as a very helpful tool in your clinic. Let us know if you have any questions. We'd love to reach out if you need any other type of instruction or help in this topic. Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Be well.